Hi, today I'm going to work with you how to charge these batteries that are 4 in series and 2 in parallel in this Imax. Bear in mind, because we have 4 batteries in series, we need to have a special connection, a special wiring to ensure that this can be balanced by the Imax. The connection is to reflect what this input. Okay, so this is the red wire, and then all these ones are the negative ones and are ones between the cell. Bear in mind, this is the connection for this Imax. Okay, if we are talking about a BMS is another way to have these batteries balanced while charging. Okay, then it's very important to be attention to that connections, because those connections are different from this one. Okay, I'm going to have this connection prepared to this equipment, just to this equipment, not to a BMS. The first one, that is this one, will be the red. It will be like this. Okay, this is the way for us to have this soldered. Okay, so let's go to solder. One important thing, this iron is 50 watts. This is the one I use to be able to do this type of soldering. Okay, just let you know that I have another iron soldering solar panels, and it is only around 30 watts. Okay, don't use this one for this type of tasks. This one is for solar panels. These ones are the ones that need to have a little more temperature, is for this type of quest. Bear in mind, they are quite good. They have been bought in eBay. So far, so good. Plus, minus, plus. Something for security here. Minus, minus, plus, minus is connected. Now on the other side, plus with this minus here. Okay. Red, red, 1. Now the second is between cell 1 and cell 2 here. Red, 1. Go between cell 1 and cell 2. Now between cell 1 and cell 2, cell 2 and cell 3, cell 2 and cell 3, now between cell 3 and cell 4, and now just on the negative of cell 4 here, cell 4. So just a summary. 1, it is the one that is going to be on the first entry of the Imax. This is first cell, then between cell 1 and cell 2, a black between cell 1 and cell 2. Now another black between cell 2 and cell 3, another black between cell 4 and cell 5, and here on the negative. So right now we need everything that is needed for having a charging. Well, I'm going to connect another one, another negative wire here, but of course it's not really a requirement because I can connect here the plug. It will be kind of like this, you see. So it can work like that. Okay, we will see this charging now. Okay, all the best. Okay, I'm going just to iron these last, oops, there we are, this last iron here to ensure we have the negative wire. Here we are. Okay, probably I'll put just here in the middle. think I need to put some flux there also. This is not working. The solder is not doing what is supposed over there. Worked, but not very good. Probably this needs more solder there. Okay. Yeah, it's good. Okay, I think battery is now ready. Just checking this again. Good, good. This is the first, second between 1 and 2, between 2 and 3, between 3 and 4, fourth, 1. So I will close these now with some tape. They say that this tape is okay, so I'm not sure. Anyhow, this is my first battery. Actually, these ones are good quality, but we'll see. Protection like this here first. Okay, here we are. This is my first battery. It's not perfect, whoops, but working. Okay, I hope this minor and plus do not touch, otherwise it's a problem, huh? See. Okay, here we are.
Incrível, já só dois é que podem ganhar, a verdade é essa, e é um prémio daqueles. Estamos a entrar